has issued a tornado warning for northern Powesha County in central Iowa, southern Tama County in central Iowa, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Gilman, or 7 miles north of Grinnell, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Tama around 9:15 p.m., Chelsea and Vining around 9:25 p.m., Alberon around 9:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Chelsea, Alberon, Vining, Toledo Municipal Airport, and Holiday Lake. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following county: Tama, Iowa,